The president's vow to put the bad actors on the flood control mess behind bars before Christmas has taken a huge step forward with the first batch of arraignments today of DPWH Mimaropa officers at the Sandigan Bayan. Likewise, to reinforce the nation's crusade against corruption on flood control structures, he unveiled yet another website which keeps tight watch with the help of public monitoring on all DPWH projects nationwide. I have the full report gathered by our Clazel Pardilia. These images, now splashed across the Presidential Communications Office's social media, are the mugshots of individuals accused of involvement in anomalous flood control projects. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said 7 suspects tied to the flood control scam have been taken into custody. This comes just over a week after the president vowed that those behind what he called ghost and substandard flood control projects would be jailed before Christmas.
Isa naman sa kanila na inaresto ng NBI at 6 naman ay voluntaryong sumuko sa CIDG. Wala pong mga special treatment itong mga ito. Mananatili sila sa kustodya ng NBI habang inaantay ang utos ng korte.
Recently, the Sandigan Bayan issued 16 warrants of arrest targeting resigned Congressman Zaldico, DPWH Mimaropa officials, and board members of SunWest Corporation. These stem from graft and malversation charges over a substandard dike project in Nawan, Oriental Mindoro worth more than 289 million pesos. The president added 2 more individuals have expressed their intent to surrender and are coordinating with the police. 7 who have yet to cooperate with the authorities remain at large, including Ko. The president issued this warning.
Sumuko na kayo. Huwag nyo nang antayin na habul-habulin pa kayo. Mas maganda para sa sitwasyon ninyo na sumuko na kayo para maganda ang inyong pagsagot sa mga aligasyon na dinala kontra sa inyo. Sa mga nagtatangkad tumulong sa pagtatago, tandaan ninyo na kahit papaano mananagot din kayo kung kayo ay nagtatago ng isang fugitive from justice.
The president earlier warned it will not be a Merry Christmas for those behind the flood control scam with jail time awaiting them.
Tuloy-tuloy po ito. Hindi kami titigil, hindi kami hihinto.
This is Sharm Zespina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.